It was 1 year ago Governor Brown signed a bill into law. It requires most school children be up to date on their vaccinations. Good evening, I'm Sam Shane.
And I'm Adrienne Moore. The bill was created in an effort to prevent outbreaks of diseases like measles, but it got a lot of pushback. So tonight we're asking, how well is the mandatory vaccination law working? CBS 13's Kelly Ryan is getting answers for us tonight in Natomas. Kelly?
Well, we are here at Natomas, where there is a vaccination clinic underway tonight from 5 o'clock on, and school just starts in 2 days. And as you mentioned, it's been a very contentious issue throughout the state, immunizations, with some parents fighting back. Now it's the law. Are those parents abiding by it? Districts say they've seen a marked change.
In my family, we definitely believe in immunizing our kids.
Taryn Whitmore is one of a number of parents today signing up her children for the upcoming school year at Sacramento City Unified. Part of the process, a requirement to be up to date on vaccinations.
I think it's important.
Gina Hernandez has also been on board with vaccinations. She's glad the requirements are mandatory for all children.
I just wouldn't want my child to be affected by a child not being immunized.
Immunization is now the law for most children in public schools after the passage of SB 277, signed by Governor Brown, effective last July. It calls for mandatory vaccinations for entry into daycares, public, private, and in-home schools in California. So after a year, are vaccination rates on the increase?
Our kindergarten immunization rates have been some of the highest rates we've had in about 10 or 12 years.
According to the California Department of Public Health, the percentage of students attending kindergarten in 2016-2017 who had received all the required vaccinations rose from 93% to 96%. Sacramento City Unified District believes the law, along with its outreach, is the reason for the increase.
There were some religious exemptions or personal belief exemptions, and the new law, yes, did away with those.
According to the California Immunization Coalition, the increase hasn't been seen everywhere. That nonprofit organization saying certain private schools and even charter schools have much lower rates. Now, the health department will be following up to see what the problem may be in those schools. There were many people, as you recall, who came out against the mandatory vaccinations. They held rallies at the Capitol. I reached out to several groups, but they did not get back to me as of this hour. Placer County had an especially large number of unvaccinated children. A school official tells me there the threats that parents would move out of state just didn't transpire, and that they've actually seen an increase by nearly 4% of students who are now vaccinated and ready for school.
Very interesting. Kelly Ryan reporting live for us tonight in Natomas. Thanks.